Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is ClaireFendy. If you guys are new here, welcome. We are going to be installing my hair with Curl Queen's hair clip-ins. I'm going to be using 20 inches of their body wave. And you guys, I just got my hair cut. Well, trim my inch slash cut. I took out a lot. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this thin to full look, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so we're gonna get started. These are the hair. I flat ironed the top part so it can blend in nicely with my natural hair. So I'm gonna start off using, well, slow down, slow your own, Savannah, slow down. I'm gonna start off by parting my hair. So I'm gonna take out the sections I wrapped it up into like knots, but I didn't like it because it's gonna leave like dents in my hair. My hair get curly really fast, so I'm just gonna pin them away and take out my first section. With that section is just the back of my head. I'm going to be using the clip-ins that only has 2 clip-ins in there, and then I'm going to take some glue, some spray. I'm going to use the Even spray. You can use Got2b. I actually couldn't find my Got2b bottle, which is why I'm using that. And I'm just going to braid 2 braids in a bag, but I'm not going to braid it all the way down because I don't want that to interfere with the hair once I install it. So I'm just going to braid them and then clip the hair on. For the remaining of the video, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to start off by using 2, then I'm going to go ahead and use 3, then 4, then 5, and then work from 5 through 2. So yeah, just keep on watching. It's super easy, you guys. Like, my hair could breathe, and I love how it blends so nicely with the clip-ins. I like to leave my edges out because you could do a ponytail nicely with it. I'm going to be doing the middle part, so it really doesn't matter. But if you guys are like, you guys could do a flip over, you guys could do a side part, you guys could do whatever you want with this. It's just so convenient. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to order. So when you go to the website and you click the 3 lines, there's going to be the clip-ins option. There's every texture you can think of. So whatever texture your hair is, whether it's 3C or 2A or 4D or 4C, you guys are able to find the exact texture to match your natural hair, which is why I love Curl Queens. I think I have a discount code with them. I'm going to leave it down below because they did sponsor a video for me one time, but this is not sponsored. I just like good products and I would advertise a good product any day. Like, I will put you guys on, like, seriously. But the one that I have in is Body Wave and I really like it. Okay, so for this section, I'm going to be using 4 or 5, I think. You guys know once you see like a little piece of dandruff in your hair, you just have to scratch it. So this is going to be like a little satisfying clip for the people that like to see it. It's not a lot, but you know, it's satisfying. Okay, so now we are coming to the front of the hair. I'm just going to add this one last clip, and then we're going to come to the front. So once I get to the front, I like to do a curve because I'm doing a middle part, and I like my middle part to look very, very sleek. I love a bust down. So this is the only part where I will braid my edges because I want it to, well, it's not technically my edges is in the middle, but you know what I meant. I want it to fall flat into my forehead. Like, I want the nice transition, so that's why I'm doing it like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna do 3 braids. These are like the 3rd clip-in. I'm on my 2nd braid, and then I'm gonna add the clip-ins in, and then that's it. The ones that has 2, you kind of do the same thing. So I added 3, the one with 3 on that side, and on the other side I just did the 2 clip-ins. So, and look how nicely it is blended. I love this hair so much, you guys. Like, I went on vacation with this. This is my 4th time wearing this hair. I'm going to be using some hair oil from, I think this from Caretrice. It smells so good, you guys. And it also comes with like hair perfume. It smells really, really good. So I'm just going to apply that on and brush my hair. Look how nice everything is blended. I'm going to get the straight one next time because it looks so good. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe so you guys can be notified anytime I post a new video. I am posting videos in Haitian Creole, in English. I'm just trying to test something out to see like what audience watch me the most. So bear with me with that. But yeah, guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.